We believe that if three of us are working together harmoniously, committed, and with a lot of resilient energy, there will be a great hope for this country going ahead. We appreciate that three of us have shown aspiration to lead this country. But we also come to realize that we're all capable, competent, and fit to lead this country. By the end of the day, it's only one person that will lead this country in 2023. And we also resolved that we're going to work closely together to ensure that we'll come out with a way that a consensus arrangement will come amongst the three of us of how going forward into leading this country. We believe our role is to make things easier for us to have stability. Because if there's stability in PDP, there will be stability in Nigeria. You all see that APC is no longer a party. It is having challenges of administering its party, and anybody that cannot administer the party cannot administer the country. So the only option left for Nigerians is PDP. And we believe that because of that level of responsibility, we must bury our personal ambition secondary to the ambition of this country. Let me appreciate and thank my colleagues, because today is momentous in the achievement we have come to agree. And we are men of honor, men of integrity, that we believe what we've done today will lay the foundation for a great future for this country. And that is the purpose, and to continue to carry the message to Nigerians that despite all the fact that you see us, because we know before now, some of us who have shown aspiration, some have even gone ahead to acquire nomination form. That is part of the process. But what we have done today is even supersedes that. And we've also told all our supporters to reduce the rhetorics. We are family. Is that there are those of us who have shown interest that we know of, that are well known. It so happens that those of us who have shown interest that we're aware of and we work with happen to also come from the north, and that's the focus for now. Other candidates also want to join on that. Of course, we're ready to sit down and discuss. But most of the aspirants that have come out in the PDP largely have come out from the north. I think there's only one candidate from the south, aspirant from the south, so there's no concern here. But I think here we already have 4 candidates, and the need is that it's important that PDP needs to unite, and that process of unity is what we are doing. If PDP unites and 3 of us unite as we have promised Nigerians, then we all begin to focus on what is important. It's about Nigerians, how to make life better for them, and that's what we have started today to discuss about.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.